Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I just wanted to shoot you this quick video to give you a few tips and tricks you can apply today um, to take care of some issues on your website and get those organic leads coming in for free instead of paying for those expensive lead services. So as you can see, we are on your website. Your website is not secure. This is a very significant problem. You need to get this taken care of right away. It will allow hackers to get into your website. It can destroy your website, your brand, steal your identity. There's a lot of things that can happen, and it can cost a considerable amount of money to get it fixed and to restore your brand and your name. So it's really, really important you get that taken care of. Um, I like your video here. You have a really nice looking website. You got some content happening here, which is good. Um, yeah, I like your pictures. It looks like you guys do beautiful work. So one of the big things is content. And so Google needs to see a lot of content. The rule of thumb is that your website should have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, or that breaks down to about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. And they also need to be location based keywords. I'm not seeing a whole lot of those keywords on your website. Um, so when a customer does a search, they generally don't know the name of the company they're looking for, but they know the services that they need in their specific area. So it's really, really important to dial in your content and keyword strategies so that you can be found um, for all of the services you provide and all the service areas that you provide them in. So it's going to be important that you have a separate page for any and all services that you have, as well as all the service areas that you service. If there's a keyword search volume for that area, you should have a page so that you can be found in all of those areas. And that's going to do a lot to help you guys out with those leads. If we take a look at your competitor, they also have a nice looking website. And I think what's really helping these guys here is that their name is a keyword, and their website domain is also the keyword. And it's really the only keyword they're using on this site. So and that's why for this specific search term, they're number one. Although they have the nice looking site, like your site, it just doesn't have enough content. And so Google doesn't rank your websites based on their appearances, unfortunately. It's all based on content. They have crawlers, which are little robots that will go out and index every single one of your pages, looking at content and keywords so that they can get you in front of your customers. So that's going to be really important, and you need to have a lot more content than your top competitors in all of your service areas. Excuse me. This is a program we use that shows us how your website performs. And we can see you don't have any titles happening on your website. You only got a rating of a 4.4 out of 100, which is because of your backlinks. You have a lot of backlinks to have a low rating. So that says that most of these backlinks are junk and spammy. And you're going to need to go out and probably disavow the bad links and go out and get better authoritative links, because not all links are created equal. You're being indexed for 49 keywords, but they're not relevant location-based keywords, so they're not helping you, and they're not getting you to the first page for customers that are going to convert. So you're only seeing about 16 people to your website on a monthly basis. If we look at your competitor, they also have a low domain rating, but their homepage rating is high because they're pushing all of their backlinks directly to their homepage instead of all of their service pages and service area pages, which is actually hurting them. So they're only seeing 151 people to their website out of the thousands available traffic that you guys should be capturing. And just a quick overview on backlinks. A backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic directly to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant those websites are to your website and your business, the more power it's going to give you and help you to rank. These backlinks are closely tied to your content and keywords. And so it's really important that you have them going to each of your pages for your keywords so that you can be found by those customers. And then the last thing I wanted to go over real quick is citations. So when a customer does a search in Google, you'll probably see some ads, and then you're going to see this Google Maps. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this map pack. It's a very competitive spot, and that's because 30% of people come here and don't go any further. They're going to look for your reviews and pictures, and they're either going to call you directly from here or they're going to hop on your website. So you want to make sure that you're getting in the top 3. And in order to do that, the biggest factor are citations. And that's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website. And having those listed in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more than your top competitors. So now, if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become #1 across Google for all of your website pages and keywords. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can take the information I provided and apply it yourself, which is totally okay because this is just free education for you. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know if you thought this video was valuable. However, if you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done and you're tired of paying those expensive lead fees and just ready to get those organic leads, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.